Right then, this is it. This is as raw as it gets.
Yeah, so
we're still in the unit and we're going to see if it works. We're planning on driving home in this tonight.
we are. Confidence level.
Confidence level. I'm at 99%.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you? Well, we found a fault which has made me confident. I'm at 90. So
yeah. Well, I've hit it big with a 99.
You have. I know I'm going to graunch it because I always do when I go to reverse, but he purrs.
The beast has started.
The aircon will be going on because it's 36 degrees in here.
Not bad.
Oh, we'll need fuel.
Will it graunch?
What, the gears?
The gears.
I'm going to try not to, so I'm going to push it all the way down. In fact, I might go one.
Maybe I just had the seat last time I moved it in and out.
Whee!
That's a good sign.
So, right then.
Well, we're moving.
I mean, to be fair, I will know immediately.
You will? No, that is true.
I've been good at spotting. I spotted that problem immediately, so I am expecting to know if it's fixed immediately.
Right, clear this way.
Clear, clear, clear. Oh, if we fixed it, I'll be so happy. We fixed it.
Right, come on. It's fixed.
It's fixed. I mean, you know, immediately.
Yeah,
it's
yeah, you can
fixed.
feel it.
It's fixed.
It's softly engaged there.
It's bloody fixed. I'm going to thrash it now. It's bloody fixed.
You just know.
Oh, it's fixed.
You just know it.
That's fuel.
Yeah, low fuel. Okay, right.
Oh man, I can't believe it.
Me
I am
neither.
so happy. It's one of the most satisfying things we've done, other than you putting the engine in MIG. Oh,
I mean, the engine obviously in gearbox.
the engine was always as sweet as a nut. No, that's just my
That's
bad
just
gear
back
change.
gear changing, yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause if you drive it normally, it's fine.
Well, when you used to ease off on the accelerator.
Oh, that was third, not fifth, I think.
No, no, one and third. No, because when you did that, it just clunked,
True.
and it's not.
No, you're right. No, I mean, even if you drove it really smooth and tried, you couldn't get it to not clunk.
No, 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 no. I mean,
So-
I tried so hard not to get it to clunk.
Busy?
Very busy, yeah, which is very rare. Oh, and I mean, that's...
Yeah, yeah, it's not.
Well, I'll pull over and you can have a go.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wicked.
it's transformed it.
Yeah, it
I mean,
has.
it's transformed it.
Oh, that's very exciting.
Oh, good. Well done, you.
Let Nathan have a go. Last time I drove this, the thermostat blew up on me. So.
The only thing we haven't done is press the ELD button.
Well, let's not push our luck yet. Right,
Padsta lives.
ladies and gentlemen,
Ah,
I'm in. Right, I'm going to take this a lot slower. I'm going to drive it normally.
well, so did I, didn't I?
I would say you were a little bit. Oh yeah.
I mean, the difference is
Well, yeah.
immense.
I mean, before you'd release the clutch really slow, thinking, oh, "Please don't bang, please don't bang," and it would go. Dong.
Yes, that's exactly how you drive it and spin it
Yeah.
again. It's me excitement.
Steering alignment's gone out for some reason.
The clutch is a bit snappy, but that's just getting used to it.
Yeah.
No, you drive it better than I do. That's not hard though, is it?
No, not really.
Oh, the aircon's nice and cold.
Oh, it's working a treat.
Oh, that's so... I'm so happy. Oh, we transformed it.
Yeah, no,
the car is transformed.
Yeah, yeah. It doesn't bite on you. Right, I'm going to go try a bit of second. Because it was really sort of first, second and third.
It's comfy.
It is actually, yeah. Between them it was very bangy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, this is second to third. Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
I'll go for one more lap. can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
God, the most simple thing.
I mean, every time I picked it up from the mechanic, I was so disappointed.
Well, you were expecting this.
Well, I was expecting it to be fixed, because he never went, it wasn't fixed.
Right, first to second.
It's annoying that we could. There's nothing wrong with that diff we've got.
No. Well, I can't believe it.
Neither can I. So we've got a nice diff to sell.
We've got a nice diff to sell.
How'd you be selling this soon?
Yeah, true.
Now that we spent a fortune on it.
Well, anyone in the comments, if you want a diff, comment. You can buy ours. I can't believe it.
We're going to take the diff apart though, aren't we?
We are,
to
yeah.
have a look at, just in case.
Well, I think that sums up.
I think we're going to drive home in it now.
We are.
I mean, we are. Well done, you.
Well done.
We've done
Wicked.
well. We persevered, if nothing else, and,
Yeah.
and genuinely, thank you to Stefano for
Yes.
one, giving us the enthusiasm and kick to do it, and all the help that you've given us. It's rare to not know someone who is so helpful and so nice.
You're
so
right.
we genuinely do thank you for that.
Yes, thank you. And we couldn't be happier, could we?
Oh, we couldn't be happier.
Well, we'll go and fill it up with fuel and drive it home.
I might have a coffee before I go as well, 'cause I'm
Happy
so
days.
happy. Right, thanks for watching.
Thank you.